Now, the Ashanti Region, as at December 22, had recorded 27 tragic cases of residents in mining areas falling and dying in abandoned galamsey pits. The Regional National Disaster Management Organization says these galamsey-related deaths involved women and children returning or going to their farms. Regional NADMO Director Frank Dodu says his outfit is drawing a plan to reclaim parts of the affected areas to be used for farming activities next. He's also calling for legislation to empower NADMO to be able to demolish structures contributing to flooding in the country. He said all of this when he spoke to Love FM's Erastus Asaredonko.
Many parts of the Amansia Central Municipality and communities along the Ofin River have been turned into wastelands and death traps of abandoned pits and gullies. According to the Regional NADMO office, it recorded 27 of illegal mining-related mine cave-ins and drowning in abandoned pits. Cases, it says, involved women and children. Frank Dodu is NADMO's Chief Disaster Control Officer in the Ashanti Region.
We've recorded 27 in the year, and this is as a result that most of these miners finished up. They leave the land bare, they don't look at it, then people go into their farms, then children from schools and all that, they end up in most of these pits. The reports that are coming in, you will see that one going to his farm has fell into a pit, a child that is going to the farm to meet the mother or father. This is the situation. These are the things that we've recorded out. And yes, I will say galamsey, as we all know, had been a major problem for the country.
The Ashanti region also recorded 38 cases of flooding, 120 fires, 45 cases of windstorms, 12 cases of building collapse, and 4 fuel tanker accidents. Mr. Dodu says some of the flooding situations were preventable. He is calling for a legislation to empower NADMO to take demolition action on structures sited illegally with the potential to cause flooding.
From the local government 936, there is an act which gives power to the city engineers through their special planning unit to take such an exercise. But the game turns out to be in cases where they will tell you NADMO should undertake that. But from where we are, we work, then we get to that point, and it's the city authorities that needs to take that action. If all the actions are given and written to NADMO, we execute it as it is. But I'm talking of a point where there will be a legislative instrument or an act which will empower NADMO directly, that I wouldn't rely on a source or one, but knowing that the person are built in waterway or on a wetland, which will bring issue, NADMO goes in straight based on that act that empowers us to get the building down.
Reporting for Joy News, Erastus Asaredonko, Kumasi.